Assalamualaikum. Hello there, beautiful people. This is Sumiya Tani from Dhaka Nursing College. Today we have a new topic, and it is about the importance of English in nursing profession. English is considered as a global language, and it is one of the most spoken language all over the world. Point to be noted that around 350 million people use English as their first language, and more than 430 million people use English as official language. There are so many reasons behind the widespread of this language. The British people, they ruled almost half of the countries of the world, so this language traveled with them to the different parts of the world. And the simplicity, the comfort of this language is also a reason for the widespread of English. Now, I'm going to discuss the significance of English in nursing profession into three different parts: student life, professional life, and future career explained. Student life. Nursing students need to complete their course in English. All the books of medical science are written in English, so they have to read them, and they have to give the exams, assignments using this language. And professional life. We are living in 21st century, so now even the tickets of government hospitals in Bangladesh are written in English. All the prescriptions, all the test reports. When a nurse needs to assist a patient, give care to a patient, she or he need to do it according to the reports or test or the prescription. So if they cannot speak in English, or they don't know English, then there will be a problem. They cannot give proper care to patient. And imagine a situation when a nurse have to assist a foreign patient in her hospital, and she has to communicate with that patient in English, because it is an international language, so everyone understands this, use this when they visit out of their country. And communication is a crucial part of nursing. It ensures proper care. So if he or she cannot speak in English, and he or she cannot assist that patient. For future career expand, if someone is planning to involve with foreign healthcare system and go abroad, then English is their best companion, because English is a global language, so it is an official language for workplace in different countries. If you want to involve with United Nations, UNESCO, World Health Organization, then English is best friend for yours. In Bangladesh, students find difficult in learning English, and they think that this is the most difficult language in the whole world, and they just pray, let me pass the course and I have nothing to do with English. But it is wrong. If you want to be successful in your life, if you want to expand your career in abroad or in global states, then English will help you there. Bangladeshi nurses, they are not so much inspired to learn English. They think that they will go further with Bangla, but it is not possible, because we are developing digital Bangladesh, and in order to make the Bangladesh digital, we need to expand the use of English. After some years, you will find English everywhere, so you need to practice it from now. Foreign countries are so much interested in hiring nurses from Bangladesh, but our nurses loses this chance because of one reason: the lack of English language skill. In foreign countries, hospitals uses English as their official language, and you need to communicate with patients in English. And in hospitals, time flies really fast, and if you want to, and you have to assist a lot of patients together, so you need to communicate fast. If you cannot speak English fluently, then you cannot communicate with those patients, you cannot assist the patients. So this is the main hindrance of their career, and they cannot become successful. They cannot go far beyond their country and expand their career in another country. So thank you for your attention. This is all I have to say. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe.